I just want to show you today a couple more options with git commit. We're going to show you the dry run one and also the -o option. So if we look at, we've just done a git status here, and we can see we've got these two files that are staged to be committed. So if I ran git commit right now, it would be the changes in these two files in the staged area that would make part of the commit. But imagine if I suddenly decide, you know what, I actually really want, say, this file, or maybe in both these files, the results parsers, the SARB JSON results parsers. If actually I wanted to make a commit that only included these files, what could I do? Well, one thing I could do is I could move these two out of the staged area and put them back in the working area, that the change is not staged for commits. And then I could just stage these and then do a commit. Or I could use the git commit -o flag, and I can just list the files that I want adding. So if I wanted in specific file, you can just put the whole file there. Or if I want everything within this directory, I can just do that. And if I'm unsure exactly what will happen, I can use the -- dry run flag. And this means instead of actually creating the commit, it will tell me what it would do if it really was going to create the commit. So the dry run can be quite useful. So if we look at what we've got here, currently in the staging area, we have results parsers, fan JSON results parser, and results parser PHP code sniffer JSON results parser. But because I'm doing commit with the -o flag, I have given it the path source plugins results parser SARB JSON results parser. So I think what's going to happen when I run this is it's actually going to say, well, you would, because this is a dry one, it's not going to do it, but it's going to show that if I was going to really commit this, it would be these two files here in SARB JSON results parser that would be committed. So if we just run that now, we can see that what would happen is the changes to be committed would be these two here, regardless of the fact that we had a different set of files actually in the staging area. So that's what actually would happen. So now if we create a commit without the dry run flag, and we'll just give it a message. Let's move the face out of the way. We'll give it a message here, just adding SARB files. So it's created two files. So if we do git log -m1 -stat, we should see that the only files that have changed are indeed the files that were in the source plugin results parser, SARB JSON results parser. And if we now do git status, it's remembered the files that we previously had staged, so we can go on and make the commit as we would have done. And if you've liked this or any of the other videos, please don't forget to subscribe and like the videos. Thank you very much.